In this particular video, I'm going to show you the best 5 websites I used for inspiration. You know, web design is an industry where you have to look at what other people have done for you to take inspiration. You're not stealing, you are taking inspiration to design exactly what your clients want. So I'm going to show you exactly the 5 websites I use to draw inspiration so that you too can draw inspiration from those websites and design a very attractive and high converting website. I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer, and on this channel I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design and digital marketing. If these are things you love, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. See you. So the top website on my list for taking design inspiration is called Landingfolio.com. This is the best website I ever used for inspiration, whether for UI UX design or for web design itself. If you look at it, if you come to this website, you will see the left hand side has a lot of resources here, including components, Tailwind components, Webflow components, and the Figma components. Any of these components, you can copy them actually from here, go to your Figma and paste them, and they are yours. That is that, and it has both free and paid resources, right? So if you look at here now, you can see if you copy this Figma design, right, you can go to Figma and paste it in your canvas and you start working with it. So if you want to take inspiration for every other thing, it has a lot of categories here. You see all components, you see global, you see marketing, you can see a blog. These are categories you can actually, if you want a blog website inspiration, maybe you want to build a blog website, you can take inspiration here. If you want to build an e-commerce website, okay, just switch to e-commerce website. So it's going to load. Just give it time. It will load and give you components to use. These are components, right? All these things here, these categories here are for components. These are call to action components. This is hero section component. This is testimonial component. You can actually use them. This is sign up. Let me open it so that you look at it and see what I mean. This is a sign up component. You can decide to copy this to Figma, but that's not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is for websites. Someone who wants to build a website, you don't want to build components, maybe you're not into UI UX design, you can actually take inspiration to design whatever you want to do. Let's say you want to take inspiration for hero section for your website. You can come here and see a whole lot of hero sections here. You want to take inspiration, you want to actually build yours to look like any of these things here. Let's look at this one. Let me open this one. I want to preview it so that you look at it and see how it looks in written. This is how it looks like. Can you see how it looks like? This is the hero headline. This is the call to action. This is just the landing page alone, the hero section itself alone, which consists of the header, the hero headline, and the call to action button. So I want to go back. This is the best website I always use. So if you want to see how it looks like on tablet, you switch to tablet here, switch to mobile here. This is how it looks like on mobile, the same hero section. So I love this website. If you want to copy to Figma, just copy the component. If you want to copy to Webflow, they don't have for WordPress at the moment, but then you can just look at it this way and go to your WordPress, use Elementor to design. Let me quickly go back to the home page. These are all components, so I always like to use it if I feel like I want to know the best hero section to use, or any of the blog pages. Let's say blog titles, you can switch to blog title, blog list. So let's say you want to design a blog page, a custom blog page for your website, you can come here and choose all of that. So the second website I use is Pinterest. I can come to Pinterest and type real estate web design. It will show me a lot of designs here. I can actually save them. Let's say I love this particular one. I want to design something like this for a real estate client. So I can save it. I can save it this way. I can screenshot it and start replicating the design myself. You can see a whole lot of design. Just type anything, e-commerce web design. You can say e-commerce web design. It will show you a whole lot of designs you can copy. This is Pinterest for you. Pinterest is a search engine that has a lot of designs. Can you see these designs here? You can pick any of these. Let's say I love this. I want to look at it. I can actually save it. If it's on mobile, I can download it. You can actually copy it from here or screenshot it, whichever. Just click on this icon here, download image. Can you see? If I want to just click on download and boom, it is downloaded. So let me open it in my PC so can you see the design. So this way now I'll start replicating this design. If you want me to do a video on how to take inspiration instead, how to pick inspiration instead of stealing someone's work, please make sure you type it in the comment section and say, Faith, teach me how to take inspiration from an already made design so that I won't end up stealing anybody's design. I will do that video and publish it on my YouTube channel. So number 3 website I take inspiration is called Dribbble. Dribbble is a popular place that people post designs. So you can come here and also do the same thing. Come to the search bar and search e-commerce landing page or real estate landing page, depending on what you're building. What you're building will determine what you use for inspiration. So let's wait for it to load. Can you see these are designs, attractive designs you can actually look at. When you look at it, you can replicate the same design. I can decide to build something like this for myself. I think I have a website that looks exactly like this. You can decide to put your image here, put your text here, but you're going to use different colors. So this is beautiful. You can pick this inspiration and start designing yours. The number 4 on my list is landbook.com, but I don't actually come here always, but it is a good resource you can actually use. You can just come here, search, download design and start working on it. So the number 4 I use most often is Behance, right? Behance is one of the best I use. You can search e-commerce landing page, real estate landing page, whichever one, real estate landing page. That's if you're building for real estate business. So let's say I want to look for a real estate landing page. Can you see? So if you look at it, whichever one that you feel like you want to use, just go for it. So it's as simple as that. Just open any of them. Yeah, okay, so it has opened. And there is one thing I love about Behance is that they give you some detailed information. Here you can look at here and see a lot of information that you might need. So let me remove all of this. This you can download with a free trial. That's if you want to download this, but if you don't want to download it, I feel like it's okay. You can just screenshot and go with it. So this is the design. You can copy the image, save the image in your system. So just do something like this, save it, and boom, it is in your PC. You can open it and start replicating the design, as simple as that. So the number 5 on my list, which is the last one, is themeforest.net. I use theme marketplaces to gain inspiration. This is a perfect place as well. Many people don't even know about this marketplace of a thing. So there are so many marketplaces where you can find themes and plugins. Those marketplaces, they have a lot of templates, a lot of themes that you can take inspiration from, and one of them I use is this theme forest. Just come to themeforest.com. Let's say I want to build a real estate website. For instance, I can search real estate. I click on search, so it opens a lot of themes. We're not buying the themes here, we are taking inspiration. So I'm going to show you what to do. So let's say I love something like this. I just click on preview. I can just click on preview here. Boom, it has loaded. I can look at it this way and take inspiration from what is already here. Can you see? These are real estate websites you can actually open. So let's say I love something like this. I want to open it. Just click on it. So this is the website. Can you see how it looks like? Can you see it? So if you are building a real estate website, you know that this is perfect for you because this is a theme that has been built. You can look at something like this and replicate it in your design instead of looking for where to gather inspiration. This is perfect. Just come here, look at what is already here, then build yours to look exactly like this, but you're going to change all of this. You're going to change the text, you're going to change the colors and use your client's design assets. But the layout should be like this. You can say explore neighborhoods, you understand, featured properties, you put yours. Just make sure you copy something like this, and that's how to take inspiration. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to do a detailed video on how to take inspiration from any website without stealing the content of that website, type it in the comment section and I will record a video on that. See you in my next video.